my eyes are small. I have hooded eyes. It's very good for medium to dusky skin tone if you are bright to be and you want few products. Welcome back to my channel. So this is my first long form content which I'm shooting. A bit nervous, so please pardon if I do some mistakes. Today I'll be showing you a very simple makeup routine which you will literally take 10 minutes to do it. I'll not use any foundation, I'll just do it with concealers. I have a puja in my house, so I'm getting ready. I thought of just shooting it fast. So let's get started. I have completely prepped my skin. I have done my morning skincare routine. Which if you want to see my morning skincare routine, you can tap this link and see it. I've done my hydration like moisturizer and sunscreen. It is fully prepped. So let's start with the makeup strip. As a first step, I'm using this Minikin concealer. It costs around 250 rupees. I got this as a recommendation from an Instagram beauty influencer and I just love it. At this price, it works great. I'll tap all the links below, and yes, I will be using this one single brush today which is from Mars because I'm carrying only this one. This just works great. I am just hiding all my pigmentation and acne marks and around the mouth. See, I'll blend it with my finger only. Can you see how beautifully it covers? It is from a medium to high coverage range. Single drop of the product in it. Just see. It has completely vanished. Work is done with my finger, but still I buy brushes and sponge because I like buying. See, all the pigmentations, under eye, everything is just covered with this single product. Beautiful. Next product, which is my absolute love, a cream blush, and this is from Mars Liquid Blush. These have beautiful shades. Very good for medium to dusky skin tone, this shade. I'll mention it below. I forgot the shade. Also blends very smoothly, and it is highly pigmented. I know I have applied a bit more. It was not required. My makeup, my rules. And yes, makeup doesn't have any rule actually. Anything that will make you look good and you are satisfied, that is your type of makeup. I just love it. I apply it a bit here. I know for few people this is very much, but I swear it will go. You have to just trust the process. I love blushes. It makes you look so fresh, and this color, can you see? The shade is so good. I highlight with this Maybelline's. This is very famous. The shade I will mention anywhere in the screen. I'll apply this as a highlighting concealer in the highlighting points only. Everyone uses this. So let's blend the thing. Blends so good and such a beautiful coverage this one gives. This I'm using for I don't know how many years, maybe 4 or 5 years. This is my constant. Before I use this as my concealer also and highlighting concealer also, 2 shades I had. See, after using this, the blush is blended so well. I say trust the process. Isn't this looking so natural? I'll set everything with this compact one, Studio Fix. This is in the shade NC41. I usually don't experiment too much with my makeup. I don't have expertise in that field. And this much is enough for me. I don't need a loose powder because this is winter and it's not so sweaty till now. The speciality is it also has a good coverage. Like, I'm not using foundation, but the coverage, I don't know whether in the camera you can see or not. The coverage is really good. Firstly, the 2 concealers are good, and this compact finishes the job of a foundation. Until I'm not going to a wedding or something, I don't require any foundation. I feel foundation sits very heavily. I get this, my smile lines are so big. I get this smile lines whenever I use foundation, so I want to keep it light always. And moreover, I'm very comfortable with this routine, and this routine is short and crisp and easy to do. So easy to carry, wherever I'm going is easy to carry. So I do this. A very important part of my makeup is my eyebrows. So this is my must-have. This eyebrow pencil is from Color Essence. The shade I think is Natural Brown. And this is something which I cannot go without it. If you say that 3 products that I require for my makeup, one is this eyebrow pencil, second is this blush, and third is lipstick. That's it. This three I will need. These are like my go-to products. And if one product extra that I can carry, then this is this one, this compact powder. And I don't need anything. In my vacation also, I just can carry only these 4 products and go. Did you see the eyebrow immediately gave a structure to the face? For my eye look, I am experimenting today from Gush. And look how cute the shades are. I just got it out of excitement. It's the only thing I can experiment with, which is eyeshadow. The pigmentation is good. Let's go on with this pink. Oh my god, it is actually pigmented. Oh, wait. Blend it, blend it, blend it. It is blending also beautifully. This is so nice. The shades are looking so cute. It will go, I think. So I'll not add any eyeliner or something. I'll just go with this. I always underline with the darker shade. It makes the eye look more defined. That's it. I usually don't use a kajal because my eyes are small and I have hooded eyes. So I always use this darker shade. That's it. It's looking so fresh, right? The last thing for my eye, this Panorama Mascara. If you don't have this, I swear you are doing injustice to your eye look. You can see the difference. I'll just show you now. Look at the wand. I'll use in one eye and I'll show you. I got this from a PR package. I just got mad over it. One thing is very important. Every expensive thing is not good and every good thing is not expensive. The second and the third coat. I'm very particular about any eye look. I don't use highlighter over here. It makes my hood looks more. When I am saying this is good, this is good. Trust me. I'll add this in the lower lash. So whenever I'm doing the lower lash, my husband and my brother makes fun of it. But isn't this face a universal one? Look. I don't know, it's impossible to do the lower lash without doing this thing. The last step. Every makeup is incomplete without this step. This is the most important step, right? And I'm obsessed with this shade. This one is shade Embrace. I love it. Get this one. If you are doing makeup for the first time or if you are bride to be and you want few products in hand, so you can get this from the links below. Wait, I'll add all the jewelries and just comb my hair and come. One thing I forgot at recording is this Sindoor. This one is a liquid Sindoor from Parul Garg in the shade 01. It immediately brightens up the look. So if you like my content, do like, share and subscribe. Meet you in the next video. Until next time, stay happy, stay positive and stay healthy. Bye. Now. That also I can't do very good. Oh my god.